Hey everyone, can't find the intersection widget in Elementor? It's not gone, it's just hidden. Let me show you exactly how to bring it back. First, go to your WordPress dashboard and find Elementor in the left sidebar. Hover over it and click Settings. Next, click on the Features tab at the top and scroll down to the Stable Features section. Now, look for Flexbox Container in the list. You'll see a drop-down menu next to it, showing Active. Click the drop-down and select Inactive. Then, scroll to the bottom and click Save Changes. Finally, go to any page and click Edit with Elementor. Look in the Widgets panel under the Basic section, and your intersection widget is back. Key points include: always back up your site first before making this change. If you've used container widgets on any pages, you might lose that content, and you can't use both intersection and container at the same time. That's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you found it useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.